In this video, I'm going to prepare red herring, dumplings, ripe plantain, and puttigel. This is a typical Saturday morning breakfast. So I am using 1 pound of red herring that I am now applying it to the skin. This will make the skin of the red herring easy to remove. Now I am removing the skin from each red herring. So now I'm going to clean up the red herrings. I am removing the head and then as much bones as I possibly can. I am pouring some hot water all over the red herring. Then I'm going to soak the red herring into the hot water for about 5 minutes, 6 minutes or so. Just to remove a little bit of the salt. If I remove the salt entirely, then the red herring will taste flavorless. The salt adds flavor, but too much salt right now. So I'm just soaking it for maybe 5-6 minutes just to remove some of the salt. I cut up 2 small onions and few slices of hot pepper and 1 clove garlic. Now, if you will be following this recipe and you want to use tomato and sweet pepper, go ahead and do so. You know, the thing that really gets me upset is when you fry up red herring gift to me and you fill it up with sweet pepper and tomato. Me not go eat it. Trust me. No, sir. You use those things and mask the red herring, and most of the time me can't find a red herring. I just pay sweet pepper and pay tomato full up in my plate. Anyway, this is the red herring that was soaking in hot water for about 5-6 minutes. So I'm gonna fry it up right now. I put a skillet on low heat and then I added coconut oil. Saute the onions, add pepper and garlic until translucent. Add in the red herring. And of course, you know that it is pronounced in Jamaican patois as red herring. Okay, so I turn the heat up to medium low, and then I sprinkle on some black pepper and some ketchup as well. Give it a good stir, and then cover to let it kind of saute for about a minute or so. And as mentioned earlier, I will be having the red herring with cooked ripe plantain, dumplings, and Puttigel. That is the Puttigel that you're looking at, but I'm not going to go into details about the Puttigel right now and the many different dishes that you can make with it. I have a lot of Jamaican authentic recipe that is not on the internet. All those recipes will be in my ebook for sale. This was my Saturday morning breakfast. The cooked Puttigel and the red herring tasted superb. I'm telling you, man, food sweet, no? I'm if I tell you. Yeah, man, thanks for watching.